friends, what is up? It is I, the Concrete Catwalk. Those of you who are new to my channel, welcome. I'm a reseller who loves all things thrifted, vintage, pre-loved, new, nearly new, estate selling, you name it. I love it. To my Catwalk, welcome back to a new video this Sunday. To my newly subscribed, thank you so much. I really appreciate you guys. And I think the best part that I appreciate is being able to engage with your questions, your comments. Thank you so much for following me on this journey together. We're gonna jump right into it. I'm giving another shout out to a subscriber, Crystal. Thank you so much for asking your questions, and especially your question about designer handbags that are in a range that are a little bit more affordable. I am going to give you that today. We are all familiar with the Chanels, the Gucci's. This is going to be bags that I would recommend that you guys go and take a look at. Much more affordable designer bags under the radar with regards to their popularity. Designers who have really nice pieces. I'm going to share a few of those with you, and I'm also going to give you a suggestion at the end if these are bags you might be interested in, but you may want a little bit more of a twist. I will also leave information about the bags in the description box below should you want to go there. So don't worry about that, and I'll remind you that at the end too. I'm going to post pictures of the bags either here or here. The first bag that I really like by the design house La Fleur Paris. This bag is called the Bede Bark Convertible Cork Purse, and I am going to post the picture of that bag here. This bag is beautiful. It caught my eye because it has the one top handle and it has the closure, but it can also be worn as a backpack, hence the word convertible. This bag comes in a wide variety of colors. It is a fun, easy bag. It looks like to carry. It's compact. And it's one of those bags where if you decided you didn't want to wear it like a backpack, you can carry it as a handheld or a clutch. And it is adorable in terms of the way it looks and the fact that it is very versatile. And what I also like is the price point of this. This bag is $269. It is not a bag that will break the bank. It is a bag that looks very well put together and expensive, and I like that. La Fleur is a Parisian handbag company, and I would advise that you go check out their website. They ship worldwide. Let's move on from there. The next under the radar bag that I really like is by Petite Courage. These bags are so gorgeous. They're considered mini fringe top handle bags. They have a long fringe. These bags are perfect for summer. There is an orange color that I really like. The white I really like, especially since orange is a trending color. White, of course, for the summer, beautiful. But these come in black. They also come in a pale yellow, and these are carried at Nordstrom. If you want to take a look at Petite Courage, you can head on over to Nordstrom and you can take a look at them. These are a little bit more than the La Fleur bag. These retail for $375, but they are well worth it. Beautiful, beautiful design handbags, and this probably will end up being a summer bag for me. Next, there is a bucket bag that is on my radar. It is by Hammett. This bag is gorgeous. It is called the Cooper Medium bag. And what I like about this bag is it is convertible. It can be carried on the shoulder or it can be worn cross-body, and I do like that in terms of a pull, slouchy, buckety kind of a bag. This gives that vibe. The interior, as you can see from the picture here, is a red color, and it just looks very rich and sophisticated, but real low-key and streamlined. I don't see a price for this. I thought I had a price on this sheet, but I don't. I'll post the price underneath the picture so you can see. The next two bags are by a young designer and it is Brandon Blackwood. Ah, you guys, there are two bags in particular that I would like to get my hands on, and they are sold out. Each time these bags come up, they do not last. I keep checking his website and they are sold out at this point. The first bag, which I will put here, is the Arlen bag in aqua blue leather. I am obsessed with this bag. This bag is $195. It is pebbled leather, comes in a variety of colors, and as I said, each one of those colors is sold out. This bag is hard to get, and it has a 3.2 drop. There is also a shoulder strap that comes with this bag, so you get flexibility with this too in terms of how you can carry it. But I really like the look of this bag, and the fact that this would be a perfect bag to take on a date or the perfect bag to use for weekend runs. I am truly obsessed. And the best part about it is for $195, you are getting a hand-sewn, all leather, beautiful bag of this. Love this bag. The other bag is also by Brandon Blackwell, and it is the nylon bucket bag in orange. And this is another bag that is sold out. This is a mini bucket bag. It is so, oh my God, the color is everything. I really like this. It has 4 little feet at the bottom. It also has a long strap that you can carry this crossbody, or you can carry it short in your hand or in the crook of your arm if you wanted a different type of a look with it. I really like all of these bags that I talked about because they are sitting at price points where they're the perfect thing to buy before they escalate and go up. Let's be real. When a certain designer flies under the radar, or new designers start becoming popular and their bags start picking up pace, the bags usually become a little bit more expensive. I think that Telfar bags are a perfect example of that. They are beautiful bags. I really like them. I have been stalking and trying to get one of those, but every time I look for the particular style that I want, it is sold out or it's out of stock and not available. If you're in the market for a designer bag that does not have the heavy hitting sticker price that more known designer bags do, these are some designers that you would want to take a look at. The offerings that they have on each one of these websites with each specific designer, design house, incredible. I will also make this suggestion. If you are looking for a really nice bag, wanted to stay in the $300 price range or maybe a little bit less than that, you actually go vintage. You watched my previous video about this bag. This is Letterer de Paris. This is a 1950s, early 60s, all box calf leather Kelly type bag. I grabbed this on eBay for $300 and some odd dollars. This gives luxury without the heavy duty luxury price tag. You want to spend this kind of money, but you don't want to necessarily go brand new. This is a perfectly good way to go. Look for vintage pieces. I'll give you another perfect example of that. This is a find that I picked up also on eBay. Let me tell you about this bag. An all alligator skin, handmade, and you get what this is. Come on now. I would love a Kelly bag in the alligator skin, no doubt about it. However, I don't know if I'm willing to spend that type of money. Long story short, searching on eBay, came across this bag. Reached out to the seller because I wanted to make sure that this bag was all alligator skin, and it is. This bag was handmade. When I saw this piece and I got the answers to the questions that I was looking for, I immediately decided to purchase this. You guys, I picked this up for under $300. This bag has feet at the bottom. It is in very good condition considering its age. This bag was done in the early 1960s. The inside of the bag does have wear to it. And I love this. I love this because it is what it is. It's a genuine alligator piece. Let me just collectively tell you this in a nutshell. If you're out there and you're looking for some type of a designer or a designer feel bag, look at up and coming designers. Look at designers that are under the radar, designers who are not necessarily so mainstream, or they're right at the threshold before they become super popular, because you can find bags at a price that makes sense for your wallet. Or if you do not want to go that route but you prefer vintage pieces, I'd say search. Go to your Etsy's, go to your eBays, go to places where people specialize in selling vintage goods. You can pick up some really nice, authentic leather and or exotic skin pieces for a fraction of the price that you would looking in the designer market. So you guys, that is what I have for you this week. Those are my recommendation bags that I truly like, that I wanted to share with you, and that are at a price point that makes sense design-wise, designer bag-wise, and are affordable. And also to include, don't rule out vintage if you're looking for something that is on that designer end, or possibly is designer, but can still match what it is that you're willing to spend. You guys, that is what I wanted to share with you this week. Thank you so much for stopping by and watching me this week. You guys know I post videos every Sunday. If you do not want to miss out on anything that I post, you know what to do. Tap the bell and you'll get those notifications. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I am excited to share the things that I have, my perspectives on things with you guys. Be safe. See you all next Sunday. Bye for now.